COVID-19 pandemic brought a lot of chaos into the fabric of our everyday living. And economy is hit really badly nowadays all across the globe, including Canada. Also, we could see a lot of people started having a lot of mental health issues and a lot of other issues related to being locked down inside their homes. I will be having 5 different episodes and tackling all 5 different issues related to COVID-19 pandemic and give you guys some tips on how you could ease those problems or at least overcome some of them in your everyday living if you guys are facing some of those problems. In the wake of COVID-19, Canadians are facing a new reality of social distancing, self-quarantining, and isolation in order to protect public health and safety. These new circumstances may lead to individuals with mental health concerns into heightened symptoms of anxiety and depression. In what may be a difficult time for many, the Canadian Mental Health Association is offering some basic tips to help people remain calm and balanced as this public health situation unfolds. Considering the level of attention and seriousness being paid to COVID-19, it's normal to feel anxious. Try not to avoid, ignore, or suppress anxious thoughts. Instead, be aware of your anxiety and accept that you're feeling anxious in this situation. Try to keep things in perspective. Notice and challenge your thoughts that may be extreme or unhelpful. Self-care is critically important at this time, as worries can be made worse if we aren't taking care of ourselves. Learn on social supports. Try to get enough sleep. Eat healthy. Exercise and engage in enjoyable activities. Do the things you would typically do to support your health. And be sure to use caution and follow health and safety guidelines while doing them. Seek information from reliable news sources online. Limit checking in on the latest news to short, defined periods. Distance physically, but not socially. We've been asked to practice social distancing to help reduce the spread of COVID-19. Social distancing doesn't mean that you need to break from all of your social contacts, just that you need to distance from other people physically. It's crucial for your mental health to stay connected with the people in your life. There are many apps for free video calls such as Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. Just stay informed through credible sources. When you're poring over the news, it's easy to feel hopeless. It's essential to keep in mind that there's a lot of inaccurate information circulating about COVID-19. Be very cautious and critical about the information you might read, especially on discussion boards and social media. Knowing the facts of COVID-19 and learning what you can do to stay safe and healthy can reduce your anxiety because you'll feel you have some power over your situation, right? It's also important to stay up to date on the latest developments, new guidelines, and potential restrictions. Reliable sources include the World Health Organization, Health Canada, and Alberta Health Services. Yeah, that's right. So you have to set limits and take breaks from all electronics. It's not good for your well-being to spend hours and hours on your devices like this, right? If you find it challenging to step away from your phone, you can try scheduling an electronics break in your day. Like, for example, you can set up an alarm to remind yourself, and while it's important to stay informed, do set limits for yourself.